Hello. Happy birthday, Daphne. Uh, Sorry kung late na ako nakapag late na ako nakapagbati sa'yo. Pero didn't forget. Ano lang, may busy. May ginawa ako buong araw ngayon pero I didn't forget you, your birthday. Siyempre, how could I forget you? Sorry, ang tagal nito kasi pang-apat ko na tong shoot. Kasi hanggang 25 MB lang yung pwedeng vid sa Facebook. Tapos yung iba kong vids, 10 minute long. So, yun. Bilis ako na yung pagsalita ko. Kumusta ka na? Miss na kita. Tapos, I hope you had a great day. Gusto kitang bilihan ng something pero hindi ko alam kung ano kasi baka nag-change na yung taste mo. Baka hindi mo ma-appreciate yung bigay ko sa'yo. So, PM mo na lang sa akin. Bigay ko na lang kay Lizelle, tapos bigay na lang ni Lizelle sa'yo kapag yung pumisita ka ulit sa inyo. So, yun. Miss na kita. Hindi na kita gulo nakakausap pero walang nagbago sa tingin ko sa'yo. Mahal na mahal pa rin kita. So, yun. Kantahan kita. Huwag ka sana mairita kasi hindi siya bagong kanta. Kanta natin. Chorus lang para para mabilis kasi nahihiya ako. So, two. 'Cause you're everywhere to me. And when I close my eyes, it's you I see. You're everything I know that makes me believe I'm not alone. Whoa. When I touch your hand, still I understand beauty that's within. It's now we begin. You always act my way. There never comes a day, no matter where I go. Always feel you so, 'cause you're everywhere to me. And when I close my eyes, it's you I see. You're everything I know that makes me believe I'm not alone. Whoa. You're in everyone I see. So tell me you see me. So, sorry kung pangit. Sorry kung meron ako pinaulit-ulit na sinabi kanina. Love you. I miss you. I would study hard, kick ass, enjoy everything. Love. Pumili ka ng someone who love you for you. And not for what they want you to be. Sana makahanap ka ng boy or girl. Anything. Don't care. Basta she will love you, not hurt you. Tapos, yun. I miss you. I love you. And, skate tayo minsan. Or food trip lang sa bahay. Anything you want. So, yun. I love you. Happy birthday. Yun. Hindi ako marunong pa yung kiss. See. Bye-bye.